Hi guys, so for today's tutorial, I will try to transform this oversized shirt into a ruched dress, and you can also turn it into a crop top. So if you're new to my channel, welcome to Sewing Princess. So let's begin! So first, I mark the shirt and pull it to where it fits me. Then I lay it flat and draw a straight line through the bottom of the shirt. But then I decided to add a little curve on the waist so there's a shape in it. Then I cut it with scissors, or you can also use a rotary cutter if you have one. And don't forget to add a seam allowance because I just forgot to add mine. And the dress is too fit to me, but it's still okay. Then fold it into half and use this as my pattern into the other side and cut it. Next, face the front piece and back piece together into the wrong sides and sew the sides with a basic straight stitch. Now, when it comes to sewing a stretchable fabric, don't forget to change your needle into size 9 or 11 or into a ballpoint. And while sewing it, don't pull the fabric because you don't want to turn the fabric into wavy. And after sewing it, I hem it right away with a zigzag stitch. Then trim away the excess fabric for a cleaner look. Then I hem it up by folding it twice and pin it so they stay together and sew it with a straight stitch. Then I gather the sides of the shirt and cut the two pieces of 1.5 inch wide and use it as a tunnel for the ruched dress. These two pieces is for the tunnel and the others are 1 inch wide and use it as a cord to be inserted in the tunnel. Then pinning it together and sew with a straight stitch in the center and the sides of the tunnel. Same process on the other side. Now for the cord that will be inserted in the tunnel, I cut a 1 inch wide from the excess fabric. Now remember to cut as many as you could in the excess fabrics because we need a longer cord to be inserted in the tunnel. And then sew them together and close the open seam. After that, get a safety pin and turn it inside out. And finally, after 100 years, I've finished it. And time to insert it into the bottom of the dress. And when I reach the top of the dress, I seam rip the upper part of the tunnel because it's hard for me to pull the cord through the second tunnel. Then insert again the cord into the second tunnel and I close the open seam. Same process in the other side. Now for the strap, I use the extra cord as my strap and pin it in the front and measure the length of the strap through the back and mark it and sew them with a straight stitch. And this is the final transformation.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I l Can I help it if I dream of you every